Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is August 17, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading higher by a quarter point to 21.77 per contract. You can see overnight futures actually were a bit lower, so trading around the 21.74 level. Right now, trading around the 21.76, 21.77 area. So again, futures are off their worst levels, basically flat on the trading day, and we'll see what today brings. But in the meantime, while people are talking about higher interest rates, possibly by the Fed, we will have the FOMC minutes out later today. I believe that is out at 2 p.m. But we have a lot of stocks in the news. Let's get started here. First one we're going to take a look at is Urban Outfitters. URBN is a ticker symbol there. Stock right now is getting a big pop. Closed at $31.24. It's now trading at $34.85. That's a pretty good surge. We will look to play this morning. I have gap levels posted for us in the intraday stock chat room, and they will be posted at 9 a.m. So again, if you want those gap levels, come on over to the intraday stock chat. You'll get them. But we will be looking to play Urban Outfitters right off the bat this morning. Next one on our radar is going to be Lowe's. And this is a direct competitor to Home Depot. And you're going to see Lowe's selling off today. So the stock right now is trading at $77.30. It closed at $81.48 yesterday. So this is a pretty good decline. I'm going to have gap levels for this stock this morning. So we will be looking to play that in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. And again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see what it's all about. You get to trade right alongside of us. Next up, we're going to take a look here at Target. Target is getting hit this morning. Stock right now is trading at $70.88. This is another equity we'll have gap levels for this morning. This is a pretty good hit for Target. Stock closed at $75.48. So you can see it's almost a 5-point decline for TGT. So again, we will look at this one once the opening bell rings, and we're going to have some gap plays this morning. Let's take a look at Cree. This is the LED maker. What you're going to see here is the stock is trading at $25. Well, make it $24.86 now. Closed at $27.48. So this is slipping. A level that would interest me in this stock, though, would be around $23. Gets down to $23. I think there's enough support there for an intraday bounce. Again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings, but that would be my level right now for Cree. Let's take a look at Children's Place. PLCE is the ticker symbol here. This stock is trading sharply higher, closed at $85.86, now trading at $91. This is way overbought. It's way extended. I don't have a level to give you. All I could say is if you own Children's Place, trail your stop loss. If you don't own it, do not jump on this one now. This is overdone, bloated, extended, any way you want to slice it or dice it. This is a chart we do not want to get involved in at this point in time. But again, if you do own it, congratulations. Just trail your stop loss or take your profit. Choice is yours. Let's take a look at Southern Company, SO. This is a copper producer. Stock closed at $50.96. Did trade down, but it has come back off its worst levels. Right now, I am seeing it trade right here at $70.05. Oh, excuse me, this is Southern Company. Yep, this is what we're looking at. Southern Company, a little bit weaker. This is utility. Right now, this is trading at $50.07, closed at $50.96, so a little bit lower. We'll watch this. If by some chance this trades down to around $47.35, that would be a buy level today. So keep that on the radar. $47.30, $47.35, that would be a buy level today. Don't know if it gets there, but if it does, we'll keep that on the radar. Let's take a look at ASML. Just type that symbol in there. And what you're going to see is that this is trading decently lower. The stock closed at $107.95. It is now trading at $105.37. Again, pretty good little dip. Again, if it does get down to around, I would say 100, that is a pretty good level, or Pierce of 100. Until then, there's not a whole lot to do here, but we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings, and we'll keep it on our radar today because it is in motion, and that's what we want to make. That's what we want to trade. Stocks in motion will give us the best chance to make money in this market. Let's take a look at VRX, which is Valiant. Stock is catching a big bid. I believe this is a Morgan Stanley upgrade. Stock closed at 26.60, now trading at 29.30. So good pop. Very, very tough chart to follow right here, but nonetheless, good pop if you own this one. Trail that stop loss immediately. This is a good little move for Valiant today. All right, let's get over to the gold market. We are seeing gold futures this morning trading down $7.40. Right now they're trading at $1,349 an ounce. So gold is a bit lower. Crude oil is down 14 cents to $46.44 a barrel. No big deal there, but we'll look at gold and crude once the opening bell rings today. So we'll see how this market trades out. There's a lot of action this morning, and we'll see what this market gives us. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.